In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use its Squarespace appointment booking website. By the end, you'll have your availability set, your services created, and your booking calendar embedded right on your site. Start in your Squarespace dashboard and open Scheduling. This takes you into the Scheduling admin. From here, choose Set Your Availability. You'll land on your calendars, where you can define the days and times clients can book you. Click into each day you work, add your booking windows, and make sure they reflect your real schedule. If you take a lunch break or have different hours on certain days, add separate time blocks to match. When you're done, click Save Regular Hours so your changes are applied. Head back to the main scheduling area and create your appointment types. Select Create Appointment Types, then click New Type of Service. Give your service a clear name clients will understand at a glance, like consultation or follow-up session. Add a concise description that sets expectations, what's included, who it's for, and any preparation needed. Set the duration in minutes so scheduling knows how much time to hold on your calendar for each appointment. If the service is paid, enter the price amount. When everything looks right, click Create to save the new service. Next, decide how you want clients to access booking. If you want a simple link to share in emails or social posts, use the direct scheduling link. If you want to place the calendar directly on your website, choose Embed Scheduler. This generates the embed code you'll need. Click Copy to place that code on your clipboard. Now go to your Squarespace website editor and navigate to the page where you want the calendar to appear, such as a Book Now page. Add a new block and select Embed. Click the pencil icon to edit the block, then open the Code Snippet or Embed Data option. Paste the code you copied earlier into the field. Save your changes, and the scheduler will display directly on the page, allowing visitors to pick a service, choose a time within your saved availability, and complete the booking. That's it. You set your hours, created services with names, descriptions, durations, and prices, grabbed your direct link or embed code, and placed the scheduler on your Squarespace site. If anything doesn't look right, return to scheduling to adjust your availability or service details, then refresh your page to see the updates.